Hi there, I'm Mike Dunphy, Sales and Marketing Manager at SmallCorp. I'm going to tell you a little bit about the company, what we do, why people choose to do business with us, and also about our line of archival exhibit cases. SmallCorp was formed in 1972 in New Hampshire to serve framers and artists. We relocated in 1987 to Greenfield, Massachusetts, and thereafter we started working more closely with conservators and developing our own line of archival exhibit cases. We still make a ton of welded aluminum frames, also acrylic and steel for museums, galleries, artists, conservators, and high-end picture framers. We're still family owned, managed by the second generation. And at this point, we have a variety of product lines, the archival museum cases, including accessories like silica gel, and our line of finished corner picture frames, including glazing, including Optium museum acrylic fabricated to larger than 72 inches by 120 inches. We also make a variety of archival enclosures and mounting systems, including magnet-based systems, and we do a lot of custom fabrication. We're well known for archival materials and methods, attention to detail, and high-quality manufacturing. We're not the cheapest game in town, but people say we deliver a very fair value. They appreciate our attention to detail and our quality manufacturing, high-quality products that last a long time and are versatile, save you time and money down the road, as well as a lot of people power. And they choose to work with us because we back up our products. Let's talk a little bit about museum cases. Right now, we're focusing on archival materials and enclosures. As you know, the wrong material inside the case can cause damage to the object by off-gassing or by interacting badly with other materials inside the case. So we use all materials that have been tested and approved that are inert, aluminum, glass, acrylic, HDPE, Dbond, obomodulan, neutral cure adhesives, etc. People always ask, what about the pedestal? Isn't this wood? It is. Medex is a wood-based product. It doesn't have added formaldehyde, but it may have naturally occurring formaldehyde, so it may off-gas, and we keep it outside the exhibit compartment. We segregate it from the exhibit compartment with inert materials like aluminum or Dbond, and that way the outside can be treated however we like. It can be painted, it can be laminated, it can be a veneer. We can add cabinet doors, levelers, weight boxes, even locking casters. All that stuff is kept outside of the object compartment. Inside the object compartment, we try to keep a relative humidity that's constant so we can create a microclimate in which the object will be comfortable. And that's where sealing and gasketing come in. All the openings where the vitrine meets the pedestal, for example, are gasketed to limit the airflow. Very few cases are 100% sealed, so outside air will eventually mingle with the air inside the case, and the goal is to limit the rate at which that occurs. Typically, 1/2 to 1 air exchange per day is acceptable, but we also manufacture cases with lower exchange rates. This depends on factors like the object itself, the design of the case, and of course your budget. And sometimes we find the best way to ensure a microclimate inside a large case is with a microclimate generator, and we can help with that too. We condition our own silica gel. We fabricate gel media like cartridges and pouches. We offer the gel in bulk or in media, conditioned to your RH or dry. Most of the cases have silica gel access doors, so you can monitor or service the gel without disrupting the object or removing the vitrine. And that means less people, less time, less risk. We also fabricate our vitrines out of acrylic or glass. We're well known for the quality of our acrylic joints, and we're one of the few that can fabricate Optium museum acrylic with bubble-free seams. We also fabricate with glass, both laminated and tempered, and we frequently include hinged access doors to make it simpler and safer to get at the objects when that needs to happen. Most of the display decks are removable for easy mounting and so they can be refinished, which allows for flexibility, reuse down the road, which saves money in the long term. We make our decks from archival materials like aluminum, HDPE, D-bond. We include pinnable ethafoam and magnetic receptive options. We also make slanted decks, in-case risers. Often they're fabric wrapped, but sometimes they're acrylic or aluminum. They can be a great place to hide your silica gel when you have a case that doesn't have a dedicated compartment for that. We also outfit our cases with LED spotlights and light bars. We make our own, and we also install a variety of lights that are specified by our customers. We like to use our own because we can dim them to very low light levels, and because our light bars are color adjustable, so you can change the color temperature easily, which makes it very easy when you have to change out and exhibit quickly. We make a lot of label holders, both for the outside of the case, for the wall, for inside the case. Typically, they'll have a non-glare acrylic shield and a powder-coated aluminum body. We have a variety of standard lines, but they're frequently customized in terms of color, size, capability. And when those don't work, we frequently end up building from scratch or customizing to meet your specifications. The people who work with the cases, the art handlers and the installers, love them because they're solid, they're easy to assemble, they're easy to move. They appreciate the simple, logical design, the ease of use, and the interchangeability of decks and LEDs. We have a number of security offerings, from security screws to hidden pneumatic locks. We have keyed locks. We also work with your security team to integrate sensors and security components as needed. So that's just an overview of our cases. I'll give you a few bullet points to take away. And those are that we're known for archival materials and methods and high quality manufacturing. We make archival cases, finished corner frames, mounting systems and enclosures, and a lot of custom fabrication. Well-made, well-designed products. They're versatile, they're easy to use, will save you money in the long term and make your life a lot easier. People also choose to work with us for conservation mindedness and for collaboration. We've worked closely with a lot of you to solve specific problems, to specific challenges, and we enjoy doing that very much.